Hi, today we will learn about converting column values into a comma-separated single cell. So, consider that our scenario is to show the data which is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. No need for the is equal to. So, it is very simple if we have a smaller list. What if I generate a list using the sequence formula? Let's assume 200,000. I have a data which has 200 list in a single column. The starting point is 100, stepping is 1. So it generated a list of 200,000 rows for me. Okay. I want to convert it in a single cell with comma separated values. For this, I am about to tell you a trick that is very useful when you are working with large amount of data. This trick will be used in Power Query. So to make it possible, make a helper column with single value. Now convert it to table. There's a mistake. I cannot use that function. So what I will do, I'll just copy it. It's not showing the special thing. Just Control C, paste the special values. This column, data 1, Control T again. Because the sequence function is an array function, array functions do not work with the tables because it's a spillover function. So now what we need to do, we need to take this data to the Power Query. Click on data, on table, it's 200,000 rows, take a little time. So here we have the data. The first step that we need to do is to group the data by H1 helper column. And we need all the rows. We do not want to sum it. We do not want to average it out. We just want to just group it, and we want all the rows to be summarized in a single table. Up till here, we are fine. We want to convert this table to a list. To do this, it is a very simple trick. Just go to add column, add custom column, leave it like custom. This is the count. Remember the name of the column that we had there. That was data. Okay. Though you are unable to see that, but you can type it in. So the list is here. Let's see what's in the list. But do we need the data in this format? No. We wanted the data in a comma separated single cell. Let's delete it. Now what we need to do, we need to accept the values, comma. See what happens now. Ta-da! We got it. Do we need that? No. Remove it. Just close and load. It could go out somewhere. New Excel sheet. We got the data here. See how simple it is and how fast it is. This is the beauty of Power Query. It is fast, it is reliable, it is accurate. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.